The brush holder consists of the brush holder and plastic mount and the tension spring. With this style of brush holder assembly, there is a right hand and a left hand holder, so make sure you order the correct one or one of each when making your repair. If the motor is overloaded, the brush holder, plastic mount, or tension spring can be damaged, requiring the assembly to be replaced. Replacing the brush holder is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the rear handle cover. Now I have access to the brush holder. I'll remove the wire lead. Next, I'll remove the screw that secures the holder to the housing. With the holder removed, now I can remove the brush. Now I can install the new brush holder. Again, I'll pull the brush spring back so I can reinstall the brush. You'll notice there's some grooves on the sides of the brush. Those grooves should be pointed down. With the brush in place, I'll place the tension spring back over the top of the brush, and now this assembly is ready to go back into the drill. As I install the holder, I'll compress the brush against the armature. And I'll secure the brush holder with the screw. And reattach the wire lead. And I'll finish up by reinstalling the rear housing. And that's how easy it is to install a new brush holder in your tool. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.